Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. In this video I will explain what's behind the chart. And what are the big banks' doings, supply and demand secrets. How big bank trap all the retail traders, and where is the liquidity? As mentioned in our previous video, big traders like to use fake out and SR flip to free the liquidity. In order to sell a large volume of order in one place, big traders need to find people who are willing to buy at the same price. Hence supply and demand is used in Forex trading, and we can call this as manipulation. On this chart we have a fake out. R1, R2, R3. And a supply zone. Big traders start their manipulation by setting up fake out. Support and resistant traders will sell at resistant, and the stop loss is above resistant. When the price came back to resistant, they will sell again and again. SNR trader will sell at R3, and the price dropped down a little bit. SNR traders will continue to even sell more, and thinks the resistant is valid. But the price suddenly goes up, and taking out all the SNR traders' stop loss, and shoots down. In this case, we have a very good risk-reward ratio 1:7. Another example here. We have a supply zone. R1, R2, but didn't have a R3 yet. A trend line right here. Another fake out. R1 and R2. A supply zone above the fake out. And we have a bunch of support right below. We called it significant support. Retail traders will buy at support. And lots of breakout traders will sell instant when price closes below support. And the price goes down a few pips, and goes up taking out breakout traders' stop loss. And goes down. Right back here we have a supply zone. And a fake out. Support and resistant traders will sell again at fake out because support has become resistant. But the price shoot up, trapping all the retail traders' stop loss. Please share this video to your friends. And subscribe to this channel. I will explain more on how the market works and how big banks trades.